AI is changing every industry, from healthcare to finance, from transportation to content creation. But behind every successful AI product, there's one critical role most people don't talk about. Study NAMS. AI product managers are earning $130,000 to $220,000 per year, and you don't need to be a programmer to get started. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap to become an AI product manager. Even if you're starting from zero, let's begin. An AI product manager is the bridge between Section 2. Skills you must learn. Product management fundamentals. You need to understand user research, roadmaps and prioritization, MVPs, KPIs and metrics. Tools to learn: Jira, Confluence, Notion, Product Board, AI and machine learning basics, non-technical. You don't need math-heavy ML, but you must understand supervised versus unsupervised learning, NLP and computer vision, model training versus inference, accuracy, bias, overfitting, learn concepts, not code, data literacy. AI runs on data. Learn what good data looks like, data labeling and quality, training versus testing data sets, data privacy, communication and leadership. You'll talk to engineers, data scientists, executives, customers. Clear communication equals success. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to become an AI product manager. Step 1. Learn product management fundamentals. Month 1. Start with product lifecycle, Agile and Scrum, and user stories. Action. Take 1 PM course and study real product case studies. Step 2. Learn AI for product managers. Month 2. Focus on how AI products are built, their limitations, and performance trade-offs. Action. Learn AI concepts visually and study AI-based products like ChatGPT, Uber, and Netflix. Step 3. Build AI product case studies. Month 3. You don't need a job to gain experience. Create an AI chatbot concept, a recommendation system, and a fraud detection dashboard. Document. Document the problem, the AI solution, metrics, and ethical concerns. Step 4. Learn the AI tools used by PMs. Month 4. Tools to know. Familiarize yourself with AI copilots, Figma prototyping, SQL basics, and analytics tools. Goal. Be comfortable working with AI-powered workflows. Step 5. Build your AI PM portfolio. Months 4 to 5. Include 3 to 5 AI product case studies, roadmaps, wireframes, and success metrics. Host it on, put it on Notion, GitHub pages, or a personal website. Step 6. Network and apply strategically. Months 5 to 6. Apply to AI startups, SaaS companies, and big tech AI teams. Keywords. Use keywords like AI product manager, machine ni kasho ni bain dadatum, ni dat machine learning, and technical product manager, sacho ni AI. Certifications that help, optional but useful. AI product management certificates, cloud fundamentals, and agile certifications. Portfolio is more important than certificates. Salary and career growth for AI product managers. Junior AI PM, 100K, 130K. Mid-level, 140K, 180K. Senior AI PM, 200K plus. Common career paths include head of product, AI strategy lead, and startup founder. You don't need a computer science degree, 10 years of experience. You need product thinking, AI understanding, a strong portfolio. Start today, stay consistent, and AI product management can change your career completely. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for AI and tech career content, comment AI PM and I'll share learning resources. See you in the next one.